So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on any service one time and then click on W on your keyboard. Now you're going to scroll down till you find Windows Update. Double click on it and then click on stop, which will now stop the service, and then click on OK. And now for the next step, you're going to keep this open, but now you're going to head over to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And then once you're on this, on the left hand side, you're going to scroll down and then click on this PC. Now you want to find the drive with the Windows logo on it. So this drive right here has the Windows logo. You're going to double click on this and then click on Windows. And now you're going to find software distribution. We're going to scroll down till we find software distribution. Double click on this. Click on the download folder. Delete everything in this folder. Highlight it, delete. You want to click on do this for current items and then continue. Delete everything in this folder. And now for the next step, you want to come back into services. You want to find Windows Update again. Double click on it. Make the startup type automatic and then click on start, which will then make the service status running, and then click on OK. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it and then click on other troubleshooters. Now you're going to find Windows Update. Click on run. And now this will come up. Wait for this to load. If this comes up, you're going to click on next. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, the problem should be fixed. If it's still not fixed, then just restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.